Molweni. I didn't want to make a voice over today because I am sick. Yo, guys, this flu season, izosiqeda bafethu. So I'm going to a gym. I don't usually record my gym sessions because kuba khona abantu and I don't like it xa busy recording and then people passing, you understand? So but today I was like, you know what, let me just do it, and actually I did it. Betuna yazi ndifuna ubuza, in fact I don't want to ask. I saw this other note on one of the social media platforms, and for mention it's been a trend, it's been a lot of trends, but ke ngoku this one why do bathini na, but bathi ba kutheni abantu abadivorcileyo, like divorced women, beqala igym xa sebedivorcile. What are they trying to achieve? Hey, bone ke comments abanye bathi no bafuna attention for now, abanye abafana, abanye abantu, other men, whatever. And I'm just sitting, I'm like, guys, you know, actually xa sisiya ejimini awuyeli uba ufuna ubonwa okanye ufuna uthini. Mna ke alone andayazi ngabanye abantu. Now I don't go to gym for that. I go to gym, not that I know I owe anyone explanation. The mental health, guys. You know, xa unabantwana uphangela uhaslisha and all that, you really need to exercise. It's not even about shape yomzimba and all that. It's just for for mental health yakho, you know, and obviously health in general, you understand? So xa sisiya, guys, asiyeli uyobonwa. And luckily ke for me, I've been going to gym, but no man can approach, which for me makes me happy, makes me comfortable up on gym corner, you know. And most cases I'm alone at gym, so andiyithandi ncam wethu laa nto ujima kukho abanye abantu. But anyway, sijimile, guys, must push in, guys. I'm doing this for me, you know.